Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today I am here with a new interesting session of English grammar. My name is Abhishek Pratap Singh. So let's begin. As you can see, I have written the topic, that is articles. So question will come in your mind that what is articles. So let me tell you that I have written it modifies noun. So articles are the words which modifies noun. So I hope that you all know about the noun, that what is noun. So articles help in modifying noun. It tells somewhat about noun wherever it comes in a sentence, or about pronouns also. So if I talk about that, what are the words which comes in articles? Those are a and the. These are the three words which comes in articles, and by this we are going to read more about articles. Okay, so let me tell you one more thing, that articles are somewhat more likely same as adjectives, because it tells as you know that adjectives also tells more about noun and pronoun in a sentence. They tell about their qualities and their types. They tell more, they describe the noun and pronoun. Similarly, in articles also do the same. Articles just somewhat explain them, their quantity, their numbers, like this. Okay, so let's understand this in more detail with the help of PPT. Right, so as you can see that this is a picture of your book. So let's start on the first line, that is articles include the words a and the. As I have already told you, they are used before noun in a sentence. So yes, they are wherever the noun will be there in a sentence, we will use before the noun. So the placement, this is the placement of articles. And there are two types of articles. Okay, now there are only two types. First one is mentioned here, that is indefinite articles. Means as you can easily infer from the name only, that it is indefinite, means there will be no definite noun, like there will be no definite name of the person, place or thing. So there are two articles comes under the heading of indefinite articles, that is a and the. Okay, and if you will read more, then it is written that these are the articles that do not refer to any particular noun. As I have already told you that they will not going to talk about the particular person, place, animal or anything. Okay, so let's talk about more examples. I had a banana in the morning. As you can see that here we have used a, and the second sentence is he had an apple in school. Okay, now you must be having a doubt in your mind that why there is a and why there is an. Okay, so let's understand this more with the help of examples. Before understanding this, we have to recall the vowels which we have read in our last classes. So as you know that we have few vowels, that is a, e, I, o, u, right? So with the help of these vowels, we are going to differentiate that where we have to use a and where we have to use an. Okay, now it is written that the difference between the usage of a and an, okay, it depends upon the sound at the beginning of the next word. Okay, so the usage of a and an is depends upon the sound in the beginning of the next word. So we have two sounds. You can see that its first one is consonant sound, which is the normal one, which does not include vowel sound, and here the vowel sounds. Okay, so what are the vowel sounds? Let me make more clear to you all people that. Okay, so as I have as we have discussed that first one is consonant sound and second one is vowel sound. Let's discuss the vowel sound, that how does it work. So as we know our vowels a, e, I, o, u, so we are going to just focus on their sounds of pronouncing the words, while pronouncing the words. So and on the basis of that we are going to just use a and an. Okay, so as you can see that here a diamond, so the first word, first letter of this word is D, which is not a vowel. So a suitcase, an aircraft, obviously a sound of vowel is coming from here. An eel, what is eel actually? Eel is a kind of fish. So an eel, because again it is a sound of vowel. A lemon, a truck, an insect, vowel sound. An orchard, again o, vowel sound. An umpire, okay, again a u sound. Now one point which you have to remember, the sound of the letter is important. An umbrella, but here a university. Now you people must be having a confusion that same here the first letter is U. Similarly, the first letter is U here also. But why we are using an here and a here? Because now let's focus on the sound of the while pronouncing the word, that is umbrella. The sound is coming okay, which is a part of a vowel, right? But here we are pronouncing it as U, right? University, which is not exactly comes under the vowel sound, okay? So it is U, university, a university, okay? Similarly, European, again the same sound, these two sounds are same as we will start the word pronouncing it. So a European, a university, because we are not getting the sound of vowel, we are not going to use an, okay? Okay, this is because U at the beginning of university and the European sounds U, right? As I have already discussed. A horse, but an R. Again, H is here, which is not pronouncing as a vowel, okay, which is also not a vowel. So a horse, but an hour, we pronounce it as an hour, right? A sound of The H at the beginning of an hour is silent. Okay, we have discussed a lot about articles. We will discuss more in the next session. Thank you so much for watching, and keep safe, keep your people safe, and be in your homes only. Thank you so much.